Welcome. My name is Alimohammad. Welcome to our website. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a little bit about us and a little bit how we're different from other firms. In later editions we'll tell you a little bit about different questions, different legal questions, and give you a little bit of help in understanding those areas. So the first thing is we are a law firm. We are a multiple attorney law firm. We do several different areas. A lot of people ask me, why don't you just stick with one area? And the answer is, well, we're good at more than one. And we like to help people. Sometimes, when we're doing a case in a certain area, they have questions in other areas. And so in order to help them better, obviously we got better at a lot of different areas. So some of the areas that we cover in our firm are immigration law, criminal law, tax law, and family law and contracts. So what makes us different from these other firms? Well, the first thing is a lot of people have complaints. The main complaints versus attorneys are, they don't call me back. Either before I give them the case or after I pay them the money, they just disappeared. They don't respond. So one of the things that makes us different is we respond to all calls within one business day. We've done it from the beginning of our practice. We've advertised that wherever we advertise, and we've never had any complaints regarding that. The other thing is we explain your question and your answer and your situation to you the way I would want to be explained. A few years back I needed an attorney before I was a lawyer, and I had to go through 4 different attorneys before I found one that was going to respond, was going to explain to me the way I needed to be explained, and who was going to finish the case instead of just looking out for the money. So I understand how important that is, and so that's some of the philosophies that we have in our firm. And the other thing that makes us different from other firms are we just want to help people. We don't take cases just to take cases. Sometimes in immigration there are very restricted situations where there's really nothing that can be done because immigration law is like that. And so what I will tell a client is basically I'll tell them, hey, after explaining the situation, there are many attorneys out there. You're going to go out that door and there are going to be many attorneys, 10 attorneys lined up. And they're going to say, we can help you, just pay us the money. And then they take the money and nothing happens. Or they do something and either it gets worse or no result that you would have wanted happens. And the bottom line is we want to help people. There are things that we do that no other attorney does, which is we have a free immigration bulletin, a free legal bulletin that comes out every month. We do answer legal questions on the radio. We write legal articles online and in community papers. And we do that to help the community understand complicated topics in the area of law. Those are some of the things that make us different from other firms. My parting shot to you guys is, there are a lot of attorneys out there. Make sure you pick one that you feel comfortable with. Make sure you pick one that is going to respond to your questions and not just be looking out for the money. I look forward to hearing from you.